We know that LCM is the least common number multiple between two or more numbers. Now let us learn how to find LCM between two or more numbers using prime factorization method. For example, we take that we need to find LCM between 60 and 70. So what do? Here we write down 60 and 72 together. And we start factorizing the numbers. Now, the least prime number that divides both of them is 2. We get 30 times 2 is 60 and 36 times 2 is 72. So, this is the first prime factor. Second, the least prime factor that divides 30 and 36 is 2. 15 times 2 is 30 and 18 times 2 is 36. Now, again, a common factor that divides 15 and 18 is 3. So we write down 3, 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. Now, there is no common factor between them, but let us just find prime factors that divide each of them individually. So first of all, we take 2. 5 is not divisible by 2, so we write down 5 as it is, and over here we write down 3 times 2 is 6. Now we take 3, we write down 5 again, and 1 times 3 is 3, and we write down 5 over here, and we get 1 times 1. Now this is how we do prime factorization. Now, to find the LCM between them, what do? We write down all the prime factors and we multiply them. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2 and 3. So we write down 2 into 2 into 2. And then how many 3's? There are 2 3's. So 3 into 3. And there is 1 5. So multiply them. Now, to make multiplication easier, what do? We multiply 5 and 2 first. We know 5 2's are 10. And then we multiply the rest of them. Simple. So, we know 3 2's are 6. 3 2's are 6. So, 10 into 6 into 6. What is that? 10 into 36. And the answer is 360. So, the least common multiple between 60 and 72 is 360. And this is how we find LCM using prime factorization method.